Memo to all of you compulsive Fed watchers out there. Get out of my face! Everyone is obsessed with the Fed's next foray. Is basically investing with blinders on, and as a result, they're missing out on some of the greatest moves I've ever seen in my life. Moves coming from the most unlikely of stocks, and I don't want to see you ignoring these opportunities anymore. There. Whew. Got that off my chest. On a day when the Dow gained 161 points, that's been nudged down 0.02%, and the Nasdaq advanced 0.04%. Boy, it was up big earlier. I needed to say something, because over the past couple decades, so many people in this business have become creatures of the Fed, not of companies and the profits that they make. Unless the Fed's happy, these people think unless it has its pound of flesh, these Fed watchers won't pull the trigger and buy stocks. Even stocks of companies that have almost nothing whatsoever to do with our central bank and are doing really well. As regular viewers already know, I'm a huge fan of Fed Chief Jay Powell. In fact, I'm enough of a fan to know how far his reach really goes. Even though he's plenty powerful, he's not powerful enough to control the direction of high-quality companies with minimal economic sensitivity. If you're not hostage to the business cycle, you can't be hostage to the Fed. Yet so many traders remain seemingly unaware of that. We see it every day. Consider just this one-day snapshot. Travelers. The giant insurance company reported earlier this morning, I saw sellers swarm. Why? I think they saw that retail sales were too strong, which made them think that bond yields would shoot up, which is exactly what they did. But these sellers were too clever by half. Travelers have been raising its premiums and making a ton of money on the premiums. So what happens to the sellers? They lost their French collared shirts today, as the stock of this Dow component ultimately soared 9% to a new all-time high. What about Blackstone, the enormous private equity firm that invests in everything from real estate to data centers? The knee-jerk Fed worshippers hear the name Blackstone, they think investments. And to them, any company that's all about investments is a company that lives and dies by the Fed. If retail sales are too strong, rates shoot up as they did this morning. These Fed-centric stooges run from a Blackstone. Never mind that Blackstone reported one terrific quarter, one that eventually sent the stock up more than 6%, new all-time high.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.